All right, hello. It's Musa Martins. Yep, and I want us to run a series this week, probably all through next week, and probably in 3 weeks' time. I want us to discuss the major causes white people tend to fail in life. All right. Now, there are about 40 major reasons or causes of failure. All right. Now, more than twice the major causes of failure, as there are principles that guarantees success in life, basically. All right. Now, there are about 17 major principles of success, and some combination which is responsible for a successful achievement, and more than 14 major causes of failure, basically. All right. And that is not all of them anyway, but these are the major ones, basically. Right. Now, what I want you to do is that, you see, most of the time self-examination is one of the profitable thing you can indulge in. All right. And sometimes you don't want to do that, all right, because of the reality that will be staring you at the face. But you see, it is always very necessary thing for us to know ourselves as we are, especially in our area of weakness. All right. It will help us identify our strength in so many cases. All right. Now, in putting out the philosophy of success, it is also necessary to tell you that things that you should do in order to succeed, and also things that you should also not do. All right. Now, I want you to, while we're doing this series, basically rate yourself, basically, and know from 0 to 100 on each of the causes of failure, and know whether you're 100% free of any of them. All right. Grade yourself also, and don't be biased about probably any of those things, so that you can be honest to yourself and know where you are, know where you want to be, and probably know exactly what to do to put the right principles in place to achieve massive success in your daily endeavor. All right. So thank you very much for listening. The first causes of failure is coming up shortly, and before then, I would like you to probably subscribe to our YouTube channel, Group 2017, and also encourage your friends to do so. All right. Now, we're in a world where people no longer look for knowledge anymore, and you see, the only reason why somebody earns more money than you or becomes super successful than you, basically, is because that particular person knows exactly what you don't know. All right. So one of the greatest things you can do for your family and your friends is to help them get access to channels like this, where they get to see a lot of things that can transform their life entirely. All right. So subscribe, hit the bell button also to get alerts on some of our updates, basically. All right. And also refer your friends to also subscribe. Now, follow some of you that wants to follow my Instagram page, you can just search Count Martini, all right, on Instagram, Twitter, and probably Facebook. All right. And probably follow my channel. Thank you very much for your time. All right. Look out for the first ever major causes of failure.